If sneezing feels like a mini explosion, then saying bless you is like throwing confetti. But why do we do it? Picture this, it's the year 590 AD and Pope Gregory the Young is in charge. The plague is spreading and sneezing is one of the first symptoms. So the Pope suggests saying God bless you as a quick prayer for protection. But wait, there's more. Ancient Romans also sneezed and thought their souls might escape their bodies. And if you thought it ends there, think again. Some believed evil spirits could enter through a sneeze, so bless you was like a magical shield. Today, it's just a polite thing to do. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're part of a quirky tradition that's thousands of years old. Gesundheit.